Fluffy the Marshmallow from West York Middle School. Have you ever wondered what's so cool about manufacturing? Well, let's go to Marshmallow MBA to see how marshmallows are made. Let's head over now. Here we can see the process of how marshmallows are made. These are the ingredients in a standard marshmallow. The ingredients are added together and then boiled until they reach a temperature of 240 degrees. The employees of Marshmallow MBA are well trained but still must be very careful not to burn themselves or spill this hot liquid. Then, one or more of these extra ingredients are added to enhance the marshmallow's flavor, depending on the order. Next, the mixture is poured into a sheet or pan that is doused with cornstarch so the mixture does not stick to the pan. The marshmallows are left to solidify for hours before they are cut and packaged. The marshmallows are cut to a particular size depending upon the order the customer has placed. The last step in this amazing process is packaging. This is of the utmost importance to get it just right. Donors Sandra Stegman and Amy Trout Hughes find pride in sharing their delicious sweet treats with the world. Let's hear from them now. So what do you think is so cool about manufacturing?
My favorite part is everything that we do makes a difference to the customer. When they get it, it's the best representation of Marshmallow MBA that we can put forward.
And what are you most proud of?
We've sold almost $250,000 in marshmallows in 5 years, and I'm honoring my grandma. I'm proud of being part of the community. My goal is always to be a good steward of the resources and give back however we can.
So for me, that's the fun part. Just to see how happy people are and that they want to order again.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marshmallow MBA. See you around.